In today's video, I'll be talking about 5 online income streams for beginners. Number 1, freelancing. Freelancing involves offering your skills and services on a project basis on popular platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and freelancer.com, which connect clients with freelancers from graphic designs, writing, programming, and virtual assistance. But you need to create your profile and build a portfolio on multiple freelancing platforms and start bidding for relevant jobs. You need to create your profile and build a portfolio on multiple freelancing platforms in order to get job and start bidding for jobs to make money for yourself. It's a very good income stream. You can make as much as you desire if you do it correctly. Number 2 is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simply promoting other people's products and earning income from sales made through your referral link, e.g. blog, YouTube channels, social media and email marketing. By choosing a niche that you are passionate about, you need to choose a niche that you are passionate about, sign up for an affiliate program like Amazon Associate, Share Sale, or CJ Affiliate, and start creating content including your affiliate link and make money for yourself. It's also a very good income stream for newbie. If this is your first time on any Empire TV, please like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification icon on so that whenever I drop amazing video like this, you'll be the first to see it and try it out. Drop shipping. Number 3 is an e-commerce model where you sell products without holding any inventory. When a customer make a purchase, you can order the product from a third-party supplier and ship it directly to the customer. You can order the product from a third-party supplier and ship directly to the customer, but you need to choose a niche as well. Set an online store with a platform like Shopify. Find a reliable supplier like AliExpress and start marketing your product through social media and paid advert. If you do it correctly as well, it's a very good income stream for a newbie. Number 4, online courses. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can sell online courses on platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and Coursera. Allows you to create, market, and sell courses to a global audience. But you need to be knowledgeable about the topic you are creating courses on. Create a structured course with videos, quizzes, and assignments and upload it on the platform and start making money for yourself. Through social media, you can market your courses through social media, email marketing, and content marketing. Number 5 is print on demand. It allows you to design custom products like t-shirts, mugs, bowler hats, and posters. When a customer make a purchase, the design is printed on the item and shipped by a third-party provider to the customer. You need to create unique designs on platforms like Printful, like Redbubble, Viral Style, Teespring, and you need to promote your product on platforms like Etsy and Shopify through social media and other marketing channels. In conclusion, starting an online income stream requires effort and persis but the reward can be substantial. Whether you are choosing freelancing, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, online courses, and print on demand, there are so many opportunities to explore. Pick a method that aligns with your skills and interests and start building online income for yourself. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.